DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro Adventure Combo hits record low price. Ready to film your wildest adventures in jaw-dropping detail? DJI just made it a whole lot easier and cheaper. Because for the first time ever, the Osmo Action 5 Pro Adventure Combo is on sale for just $369. That's right, $80 off a camera that already punched way above its weight. And this isn't just any discount. This is a total game changer for content creators, vloggers, adrenaline junkies, and outdoor enthusiasts who crave pro-level performance without draining their wallet. Launched in September 2024, the Osmo Action 5 Pro is the first action camera that dares to bring true professional video specs. We're talking an insane 13.5 stop dynamic range, AI-powered subject tracking, and buttery smooth 4K at 120 frames per second slow motion, all into a palm-sized device that costs way less than any so-called pro setup on the market. But here's the part that's got everyone buzzing. It's not just a camera that's discounted. The Adventure Combo is what truly seals the deal, because it includes not one but two extra extreme batteries. Plus, and each of these babies can keep your camera rolling for up to 4 hours. That means potentially 12 hours of total runtime when you include the standard battery, perfect for capturing long hikes, all-day road trips, or non-stop adventure footage without worrying about your camera dying mid-shot. But wait, there's more. This bundle also throws in a 1.5-meter extension rod, giving you the reach to nail creative selfie angles, smooth pans, or group shots on the go. And let's not forget the multifunctional battery case, designed to organize and charge your gear like a pro while you're out there living the action. Whether you're mountain biking through trails, surfing the coast, skiing down a powdery slope, or documenting your travel vlog in 4K perfection, this combo has you completely covered. And what sets the Osmo Action 5 Pro apart isn't just specs on paper. It's the way DJI blends those features into an ultra-durable, waterproof, cold-resistant body that's been torture-tested in the wild with improved heat dissipation for longer recordings and intuitive touchscreens on both the front and rear. It's also the first in the Osmo line to integrate real-time HDR video recording with native log profiles for full post-production flexibility, which means your footage isn't just stable. It's cinematic, rich in color, and ready to be edited for the big screen. And when it comes to stabilization, DJI's Rocksteady 3.0 Plus is practically magic. Seriously, it eliminates shakes and jitters, even when you're sprinting, biking, or skating. And thanks to Horizon Steady, your footage stays level no matter how wild the action gets, making it ideal for FPV shots, travel vlogs, or any kind of extreme sports. Plus, the AI-powered subject tracking keeps your focus locked, even when you're moving fast, helping you stay in frame and in style. So who is this for? If you're a YouTuber, filmmaker, extreme sports enthusiast, or just someone who loves documenting life with stunning clarity, this is the best value you're going to find in the action camera market right now. Hands down. And it's rare to see DJI slash the price on such a new and high-performing product, which makes this the perfect opportunity to level up your filming setup without breaking the bank. This camera isn't just a tool. It's a gateway to telling better stories, pushing creative limits, and capturing moments that would have been missed with lesser gear. And the fact that it's now $369 makes it a total no-brainer. But here's the catch. This is a limited time offer, and there's no guarantee how long it'll last. So if you've been on the fence about grabbing a GoPro alternative or upgrading from an older action cam, now is the time to move. With everything packed into the Adventure Combo, extended battery life, versatile shooting gear, pro-level specs, and a camera built to endure anything, it's safe to say DJI didn't just release an action cam. They released a creative powerhouse. So whether you're chasing adrenaline or cinematic perfection, don't miss this record low deal. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more epic gear drops, tech reviews, and unbeatable offers only on TechVerse.